welcome back to the channel. So guess where we are? We're at the lakes, Ullswater. Nice park up there. There's quite a few vans and that here, but yeah, nice park up around the lakes for us today. So I'm gonna go and have a little dip in the water, I think, because it's looking nice. You know me, I love a dip in the water. So anyway, I'm gonna go make way down there and I'll bring you back. Here we go, down at the lake, gonna have a little swim. You know me, love it. We've only been here about 10 minutes, and as soon as we got here parked up, found it's gone a bit quieter now, but when we first got here the car park was full above the little beach bit that we're in here. There's a little beach bit here. Victoria sat in the sun. It's a little beach bit there. So yeah, we're going in the lake, but yeah, it's lovely. Like I say, we've only been here 10 minutes and I'm straight in here. I love it. Anyway, I'm going to try and get climatised, as I say, and have a little swim. Oh, that's lovely. Once you get used to it, it's lovely. And what's good about the lake is you don't have to go out far and you can't touch the floor, so you can swim nice. The river I was in the other day was a bit shallow like, so this is lovely. Yes, let's have a little swim out, see what we can see. You can't beat a good old dip in the lake, I tell you. Well, a dip in any water to me. So I've been for a swim now in the lake. Absolutely lovely it was, proper refreshed. Anyway, what we're doing now is we just come back to the van, well, just up from the lake. Just come to the van, we're going to get a quick bite to eat. What we're doing is cooking some cheese toasties in the Ridge Monkey. Well, it's like the bigger version, it's NGT or something you call it, but yeah, I think I've showed you on the past videos. But yeah, some nice cheese toasties in that, because they're doing handsome, because they go all nice and crunchy. So yeah, we're just going to get a bite to eat now, because I'm absolutely starving, and then we're going to watch a film, I think, on TV and have a chill for the night. So if I don't bring you back, we shall see you in the morning. Bye for now. Good morning. What a sleep I had. I slept like an absolute log. It's absolutely beautiful morning. Nice view to open the back door to. It's about 8:15. Like I say, I slept like a log. It was lovely, nice and quiet. Anyway, I'm going to get up and try and get a coffee and get some breakfast made. So we'll see you in a minute. So one of the lads have just left there that we got talking to. He's parked next to me in a white van. It was Aisha Adventure Van 2.0. He's on Instagram. Give him a check out. He's a nice lad from Scotland. So yeah, we're going to catch up with him later on somewhere. But yeah, I'm just cooking some breakfast now in the old big Ridge Monkey thing. Nice bit of sausage for breakfast. Did we go down with that nice coffee we made with a nice view? Look at that. Can't beat it. Lovely. What a place this is, Ullswater. Love the place. I think I'll be I brought my snorkel again, so I think what I might do is go for a little snorkel in the lake, see what we can find in the bottom of the lake, see if anyone's dropped anything. Got my wetsuit, so I'm going to try that. I've just bought a wetsuit. Yeah, I might put my wetsuit on, give it a go, see what we can do. Aye, but that'll be nice later on. Gonna have this breakfast. I've finished my coffee, and I think in the lake it is. So we'll see you in a minute. So just getting another coffee there. Another one of them coffees. One of the lads has just been down who does a bit of my sign writing, so he's just brought a new sticker down for me since I jet washed the last one off and there's some of it peeled off by mistake. So yeah, I didn't have it on, but yeah, I've got a new sticker put on the side. Thanks to the lad who's brought it down, you know who you are. He didn't want to be filmed like so, which is fair enough, so yeah, me and him was just put it on and go and enjoy the rest of the day. Go and have another coffee and have a right chill out. So the plan was to have some food and then go straight in the lake, but we got cocked here, sat at the back of the van with the doors open, the seats, and we've never moved for like 2 or 3 hours. It's flown by, so relaxing sat here, like, look, I mean, look at the views you've got. Look at that. What a lovely day. Actually chilled out and relaxed for a change. It's not very often like that, but yeah. A couple of people fishing down there at the moment, so I'm itching to get in the lake, but I'm going to leave it a little bit, go snorkeling. I don't want to be getting people's way fishing and that, but yeah, I'm going to leave it a little bit and go in there. But there's loads of people on paddle boards. I think I'm missing out there at the minute, like, so I'm going to try and invest in a paddle board, I think. They look quite fun. I know my brother's got one and he's going to come with us one weekend here. But yeah, it's I reckon I'm going to get one of them, like, be a good crack, I think. But yeah, look at that view. Loving it. Aye, the idea was to get up and go in, but like, once we got here, that's it, we've never moved since. But yeah, I'm going to get some more food in a bit and then hopefully get in that lake, try my wetsuit out and get snorkeling. Well, anyway, I'll see you in a bit. So what's everyone else doing today anyway? Is anyone else out and about? Anyone else near the lakes? Let me know in the comments, see what you're doing. But yeah, if you're here around this area, it's lovely. Weather's lovely, lake's nice and warm. What more could you want? Yeah, let me know in the comments what you're all doing. So here we are going in the water, wetsuits on. So let's see what we can find. Feels a little bit warm with the wetsuit on, like. But yeah, see what we can find in the water. I'll just get my face mask on and then we'll get going. Here we go, see what we can see. Well, I've been in for a while now. Haven't found much really. Found a couple of vapes, some balls and all that. I did find what looked like a bit of a chain or some keys or something, but as I went down, there's a rock fell on it, and then I tried to go back down and I couldn't find it anywhere, so that's gone. You need some dive gear for that, really. But yes, I thought there would have been more in here to find really, but couldn't really find much at all. Nobody must lose anything nowadays. So yeah, well, I'm just gonna put my mask and everything down now. I'm just gonna have a float about and relax. Anyway, I'll catch you soon. Right, being at the beach, we just sat here at the side of the lake and a lot of waves just started coming in. And whether it's boats going past or maybe it's just the wind blowing the water in. Weird. Good morning everybody. So it's the next day now. We finished up down the lake yesterday. All we did yesterday is watched a movie, just chilled out in the van. Like there's quite a few people here already. It is 8:30 in the morning, and yeah, people have been here for ages already. I'll zoom you around. Quite a few people on the beach, little bit of a beach there. So yeah, early morning start for people, blowing paddle boards up and all that, so it did wake us up, but you can't grumble. People just want to get an early start, don't they? But yeah, I've just got up, going to grab a coffee now I think, and then I think we're going to leave today, and I think we're going to head to Pooley Bridge for a brekkie or something like that, I think. See what happens. So I'm just going to grab a coffee and I'll bring you back. Well, we were going to go for breakfast at Pooley Bridge, but we've just actually passed through Pooley Bridge and it is absolutely rammed, and I mean rammed. Even the police are there trying to sort traffic out and all that, so we thought we'll not bother stopping there. We've just moved straight on. So what we're going to do is leave this one here now, and we're not sure where we're going next, but we're going to have a look, see what we can do. So like I say, I'm going to leave this one here. So look after yourselves, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.